Today, we're going to make colorful veggie-packed meals that even the pickiest of eaters won't complain about. I promise they won't even notice the veggies. And if they do, they'll be too busy licking the plate clean to care. And the best part is these recipes are all kid-friendly and really easy to make. One of my favorite sneaky veggie tricks is to add zucchini or squash to pasta sauce. The cooked zucchini or squash kinda becomes one with the sauce, and it adds moisture, fiber, and nutrients without changing the flavor or texture much at all. It's a great way to sneak in an extra serving of vegetables, and no one will be the wiser. Cauliflower has a mild flavor and a creamy texture that makes it a great substitute for cheese or butter in many recipes. Sushi rice is a great base for sushi, and it's easy to get creative with the fillings. Try adding some grated carrots, cucumbers, or avocado, and then rolling everything up in some nori seaweed. The sticky rice will hold everything together, and the nori seaweed adds a salty, savory flavor that kids will love. You can even cut the sushi rolls into bite-sized pieces, so they're easy for little hands to eat. Start by cooking some cauliflower until they soft, and then blend them with some milk and seasonings until they form a creamy sauce. Pour the sauce over your favorite macaroni, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious meal. These veggie burgers are another great way to get kids to eat more vegetables. Grate carrots, zucchini, and beets, and mix them into the burger mixture. My favorite way to add veggies to breakfast is to make a veggie omelet. Remember, it's all about making veggies fun, easy, and most importantly, tasty. And if you're looking for more fun and easy recipes to make with your kids, be sure to visit our website. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Omelets are a great way to use up leftover veggies, and they're easy to customize based on what you have on hand. My kids love when I add peppers and onions to their omelets, and you don't even notice the extra nutrients and fiber that they're getting. I'm serious, this is such a fun and easy way to get kids to try something new. They'll have so much fun helping you roll out the tortillas and add the sweet potato mixture that you wouldn't even realize. They're eating a healthy alternative to regular flour tortillas. Plus, the sweet potato adds natural sweetness and a vibrant orange color that kids will love. Kids love the sweetness that the carrots bring to the table, and the zucchini and beet add moisture and nutrients without altering the flavor of the burger. Spinach and kale are both super versatile and can be added to smoothies without altering the flavor or texture much at all. It's an easy way to sneak in some extra nutrients and fiber, and no one will be the wiser. Plus, smoothies are a great way to use up leftover fruits and vegetables, so you can get creative with the flavor combinations. My kids love when I make a fruit smoothie with spinach. It's their favorite after a hard day of playing outside. Serve these up with a side of sweet potato fries, and you've got yourself a delicious veggie-packed meal. And speaking of sweet potatoes, did you know that you can make sweet potato tortillas? And what about those picky eaters who turn their nose up at anything green? No problem. Just add some spinach or kale to smoothies. Mac and cheese is another kid favorite that can easily be made healthier by adding cauliflower. If you're looking for a fun and easy appetizer or snack, try making some veggie sushi. It's an easy meal to make ahead of time, and it has a great opportunity to sneak in some veggies. And finally, don't forget about breakfast. So, there you have it. 6 sneaky veggie tricks that even the pickiest of eaters won't complain about.